This is a 30-minute body scan meditation. So firstly, finding a position that's comfortable. The body scan's often done lying on the floor, on your back, with your arms and your hands out by your sides, and your legs outstretched. Or your knees can be bent if that's more comfortable. If you're unable to lie on the floor, the body scan can be done sitting in a chair, adopting a relaxed but dignified posture with the spine upright but not stiff and slightly away from the back of the chair, if that's okay. Shoulders soft but not slouched, and your head resting gently with your chin tucked slightly in. Allowing your eyes to close if that feels okay. If not, if you're sitting, allowing your gaze to lower and perhaps focusing gently on a spot on the floor. Now I'm inviting you to take a few moments to connect with yourself. This may be the first time today that you've done this. Perhaps tuning your attention into the breath and the sensations as the breath enters and leaves the body. Allowing it to move through a full cycle of in-breath and out-breath without trying to control it in any way. When you're ready, bring your awareness to the physical sensations in your body, paying attention to the sensations of touch or pressure where your body makes contact with the floor or the chair. Allowing yourself to let go a little more on each out-breath. Remind yourself that this practice is not to change anything or to feel any different, more relaxed or more calm. Instead, the intention is to bring your awareness as best as you can to any sensations you detect as we systematically move through your body. Now, if it feels right to you, bringing your awareness into your abdomen, paying attention to changing patterns of sensations with each in-breath and as you breathe out with each out-breath. Simply riding the waves of each breath, moment to moment. Having connected with the sensations of the breath in the abdomen, I invite you now to move the focus of your attention into your left foot, into the toes of the left foot, focusing in turn on each of the toes in the left foot. You'll be noticing what sensations arise when you bring your attention into the toes. Maybe tingling, or warmth, or coolness, or maybe contact with the floor or the sock or the shoe, Or maybe there's no sensation at all, and that's okay. And then breathing into the toes, and on the out breath, releasing the toes and moving your attention to focusing on the left foot. Bringing a gentle curiosity to the sole of the foot, the instep, the heel. Noticing where the foot makes contact with the floor. Allowing your awareness to expand to the rest of the foot, the top of the foot, the ankle, right into the bones and the joints, and the foot and the ankle. What's around in your foot? And taking a slightly deeper breath in and letting go on the out breath, and allowing the focus of your awareness to move into the lower left leg, into the calf, the shin, the knee. Noticing any sensations you find there, perhaps points of contact or lack of contact, sensations in the muscles, in the skin. What's there? What's around in your lower left leg? And then when you're ready, taking a gentle in-breath, and then on the out-breath, extending your attention to the upper left leg, the thigh, pressing against the floor or the chair, the feeling of clothing against the skin. What's the quality of this big thigh muscle? Is it tight or loose? What's around in your left thigh muscle, your left upper leg? You may notice that your mind has wandered away, which is entirely normal. It's what our minds do. And when this happens, just registering where it went and gently guiding it back to the focus of the body. In this case, to the left thigh. And taking an in-breath, and on the out-breath, shifting the focus of your awareness down the right leg, out into the right toes, focusing on each toe separately, the space between the toes, the nails, the sensation of contact, tingling, warmth, being curious and open to what's happening in your right toes at this moment. You've never before experienced this moment. Remember, we're not trying to change anything or create sensations or relaxation. The intention of the practice is to just bring awareness to whatever sensations are there, or maybe no sensations at all, which is also fine. Now taking an in-breath. On the out-breath, moving your attention to include the right foot. Again, focusing on the heel, the instep, the top of the foot, the ankle, feeling the tiny muscles and bones of the foot and ankle, the temperature, points of contact. And taking an in-breath, and on the out-breath, extending your focus into the lower right leg, the calf, the shins, the knee. What do you find there? Then a gentle in-breath, and on the out-breath, shifting your focus to the right thigh, exploring any sense of heaviness or tension. Is it possible to feel the bone running through the thigh? And taking an in-breath, and on the out-breath, releasing the right leg, moving your awareness to the pelvic area, hip to hip, the pelvic girdle, the genitals, the buttocks, the contact with the chair or the floor. What sensations are here that you didn't notice before? Taking an in-breath, and on the out-breath, releasing the area around the pelvis, moving your awareness to your back, starting with the lower back, an area where we carry much tension. Noticing contact of the lower back, tightness or softness. What sensations are around for you? Allowing your attention to travel to include the mid-back and the upper back, and a sense of what's there for you, the weight, contact, sense of the spine running through the back, the muscles, the strong back muscles. Really breathing in to your back, the whole back, experiencing the whole of your back. Taking an in-breath and allowing your attention to move now from the back into the abdomen, the belly. Maybe feeling inside the belly. Seeing if you can feel into the place where we talk about having gut feelings. Maybe feeling the motion of the breath, the sense of the breath as it enters and leaves the abdomen. The skin as it stretches with each in-breath. Taking an in-breath and on the out-breath, releasing the abdomen, turning your attention now to your chest area. Having an awareness of the organs inside the chest, the lungs, the heart space. Perhaps noticing the heart beating. The lungs as they fill and empty. The touch of the clothing on the chest. Any sense of heaviness or openness. Taking an in-breath and on the out-breath, releasing the chest and moving your attention to the arms, moving down the arms into both hands. Sensing the fingers on both hands. Sensing the thumbs, the little fingers, fingers in between, and a sense of the nails, palms, the top of the hands, really feeling into the hands, noticing the contact of the hands on the floor or on your thighs. What's here that you weren't aware of before? Again, noticing if your mind's drifted away, and bringing your awareness back into your hands. Taking an in-breath, releasing the hands on the out-breath, and moving your awareness now into your arms. Shifting into the arms, the lower arms, the forearms, aware the sense of gravity, the weight of your arms as they're being pulled down. Feeling the muscles and the joints of the wrists, the elbows. What sensations are around in your arms in this moment? Moving into the upper arms, Not trying to change anything, just being with what's here. What's around in this moment. Taking an in-breath, and on the out-breath, releasing the arms and the hands, and moving into the shoulders. Checking into the condition of your shoulders. Any tightness or softness. How are they feeling in this moment? Knowing it doesn't need to be any different. Just accepting whatever's here right now. Taking an in-breath, and on the out-breath, releasing the shoulders. Moving your awareness into your neck. Strong muscles at the back of the neck. Into the throat. And noticing any tightness in the throat or in the back of the neck. Really feeling into whatever sensations are around. Taking an in-breath and releasing the neck. And moving your awareness now into the head, into the scalp. Noticing what sensations are around in the scalp, in the head. Any tingling, any sense of pressure. What are you feeling in this moment? And moving your awareness now into the face, into the eyes, the eyelids, the eyelashes, going inside the eyes, the eyeballs. Are they moving? Are they still? Sense of darkness or light. And moving into the forehead. Noticing the quality of the muscles in the forehead. Any tension or tingling or for a brow. Seeing if you can release the brow. Moving into the cheeks. Noticing the air on the cheeks. Temperature. Are you feeling? Is it hot or cool? Moving into the nose, the nostrils, bridge of the nose. Any sensations of the air as it enters and leaves the nostrils? Does it change in temperature? Moving now into the jaw, perhaps allowing the jaw to drop slightly. Noticing any sensations as you do this in the muscles. Noticing any tension. Moving to the lips and the mouth, inside the mouth, the tongue, as it rests in the mouth, the teeth. Expanding your attention to include the whole face now. Not thinking about the face, but really seeing if you can feel into the sensations of the face. And taking an in-breath, and on the out-breath, releasing the face, and then expanding your attention to include the entire body, from the soles of the feet to the top of the head. Perhaps feeling the breath as it enters the body through the top of your head, following the body all the way down until it leaves through the soles of your feet, entering the top of your head and leaving at the soles of your feet. And as we near the end of the practice, just seeing if you can spend a few moments being aware of the sense of the body as a whole, as you lie here or sit here in the chair, allowing the breath to flow freely in and out of the body.